Hello again guys, and welcome to this short video. Now recently I've been exploring new ways to make money online, and well, I think it's time I share this new money making method with you. Now before we jump into it, I just want to remind you that the concepts I share have been proven and tested to earn participants an income to live a healthy and wealthy life on. So now you're wondering what it is, right? Well, it's called Darkweb transfers. You'll find all the details below, including PayPal transfers, skill transfers, gift cards, and Western Union transfer. Here, I'm using a new email to order. Also have a look into the PayPal account. I've created a new account for this video. Now I will fast forward the whole thing because it will take time to send Bitcoin. Something that not many others are doing just yet, and that's why this is the time to get into it. In the description below, you'll find a pinned link and email address which will allow you to get started today. This will give you the opportunity to earn more than $5,000 a day, right from your computer, sitting comfortably on your sofa. So what are you waiting for? Head below this video and check out the link and start making money online through the dark web.